What if you could add tasks to Todoist, check what's due today, and open your projects without touching your phone at all? With Siri and Todoist connected, that's exactly what you can do. Let me show you how to set it up and use it right now. First, make sure Siri is enabled on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then find Siri, then make sure Talk to Siri is on. Now go back, then click on Apps, find Todoist, and toggle on Use with Siri requests. This tells Siri it's allowed to work with Todoist. That's the whole setup. One toggle. Now Siri can create tasks, pull up your lists, and route things directly into Todoist for you. Now, let's add a task. Activate Siri. Either say Hey Siri or hold the side button and try this. Hey Siri, create a task in Todoist. Then a pop-up will appear. Choose Todoist, then Siri will ask you the task name. I'll say create a report. It goes straight into your Todoist inbox. And you can also include a due date in the same command. Hey Siri, create a task in Todoist, submit timesheet tomorrow at 10 a.m. Task name, project, due date, and time, all in one sentence. No tapping, no typing. You can also use Siri to check what's on your plate without opening the app. Hey Siri, what are my Todoist tasks for today? Siri pulls up everything due today across all your projects. This is great for a quick morning review when your hands are full. And here is another one. Hey Siri, show me my Todoist inbox. That one opens the app and takes you straight to the inbox, or it's no tapping around needed. That's Todoist with Siri. One toggle to set it up. Add tasks by voice with a project and due date in one sentence. Check your day hands-free. This is iOS only, but if you're on iPhone, this is one of the fastest ways to capture tasks without breaking your flow. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.